Hi guys, short video here about how long you can use the Philips Norelco blades. I've been thinking maybe we can use them forever because I've been using similar cutting heads which lasted for years. Of course with a little bit different shape. It was a little bit a larger trimmer, but at the end the blade was working actually in a similar way for years and years and years. But I liked actually this style and I thought, yeah, okay, maybe we can also go for years with this one, but actually it's not possible. I tried to find some information on the internet how long this would last, but unfortunately couldn't find something, so I try to give you some information here, but of course it's also a little bit personal preference how clean and how easy you want to cut. My first blade, it was a 360 blade I bought, or actually I got it with the original trimmer in November 2023. Now you are in July, if I'm not wrong, that's 8 months. At 4 weeks, that's 32 weeks, and I'm bed shaving 2 times per week, makes 64 shavings, but I'm doing also a little bit of body shaving with this, so maybe you can get a little bit more if you just do the face. So I would say maybe 80 shavings, something like that. My question has also always been, how can I feel that I need to replace it? I mean, I felt that it had a little bit more resistance almost with every shave, but it was actually not too crazy. On the positive side also, when you're using it for quite some time, couple of months or so in sensitive areas, it's not causing so many problems anymore. Of course, when you're using it, for example, in the armpits or so, it could cause a little bit of pain, maybe even a little bit more, like some scratches. And when the blade is a little bit older, you won't get as many problems, but it's not cutting so good anymore. So at the very end now, since about 1 or 2 weeks, I feel really some tough resistance, which sometimes even causes me some pain in some hair roots when I go a little bit too fast. And so for me, I would say that's the tipping point when I start feel some pain. Definitely time to replace it, maybe even before that a little bit. It would be also really interesting to learn from you when or how often you're going to replace such heads. Whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.